Morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Quant update. Honestly, I didn't want to make this video over the weekend because I was busy popping champagne bottles with the money that we got from the last trade. Obviously, I'm kidding, guys. I wasn't actually feeling too good. So that's why I delayed to make this video, even though we had interesting price action in the market. So I just want to begin here by congratulating everyone who was involved in this trade. I spotted this falling wedge, I think 3 videos ago, and the price target was sitting at 121, 122, 123, thereabout, the top of the wedge, and we perfectly hit that price target. We also were monitoring this symmetrical triangle here in the last 2 videos, and yeah, we also reached the price target for that one, which was $120. So yeah, again, congratulations to everyone who was in those trades. But obviously, we don't want to keep talking about the past. We need to look at the future and try and figure out what the price is going to do in the coming few days, months, and weeks, or something like that, right? But before I do that, I just want to ask you to delicately tap the like button, make it colorful if you are on mobile. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. People looking for this kind of information will now be able to find it much more easily. Also, if you're new to the channel and you're interested in Quant, which I'm sure you are, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of the videos that I make on Quant, because I do TA on Quant on a regular basis, right? Without me running my mouth too much, let me get into the real stuff here. So yeah, we had this falling wedge on a daily time frame right here. I love falling wedges because, you know, they are one of the most bullish patterns, because they've got about 66% success rate, you know, to go on and hit the price target, right? So yeah, I told you in a couple of videos that hitting the price target for this falling wedge had big implications on a bigger time frame, right? But before we get into that, I just want to show you what the moving averages are doing right here. I'll take a look at the 50 and the 20. You know, we've been monitoring this for the last couple of videos as well, and you can see that we are approaching that bullish cross that we were anticipating right here. Yeah, we have had this daily candle right here breaking above this major resistance, but I don't like it too much because you know, it is a big wick towards the upside. So what I want to see here is I want to see a bullish cross in the coming days or so on the Quant price on a daily time frame, as well as you know, we want to stay above this resistance line, support line actually. Now we want to turn this resistance into support on the Quant price to keep our bullish momentum in the market, right? One thing that I like about this break to the upside here was it was a volume supported breakout. You can actually see that we had major volume right here at this breakout. I mean, this volume, if you want to put it into context, really, it is enough to start a bull market, right? I'm not saying we are going to start a bull market, but this type of volume candles right here are really powerful, right? So yeah, the bias is for us to continue to the upside right here, but I would also still want to see this resistance being flipped into support in the immediate short term on the Quant price chart, right? So going back to the pattern that I promised you, which is this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We've been talking about it for, you know, a couple of weeks or something like that. Congratulations to everyone who has been paying attention, because you can get these patterns before anyone starts to talk about them. You can only find them on Crypto Front, right? So yeah, we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern right here being supported on that downward sloping resistance right here, which we kissed a little bit with the recent price action. So yeah, this is our inverse head and shoulders pattern on a daily time frame. It's actually looking much more beautiful on a 3 daily time frame, right? Let me quickly go there and show you how beautiful it looks here. Yeah, here is our beautiful pattern. We want to look at this pattern to try and figure out if it's even legit, right? So we'll first look at the volume right here and the RSI. So taking a look at the RSI and the volume profile on a 3 daily time frame, I'm seeing something that I actually consider a quality setup right here, which is an oversold RSI here at the formation of this head, and you can see that we actually have got something that looks like a volume supported breakout. If we would continue in the coming, you know, 3 days, we have actually opened a new candle here on a 3 daily time frame. So we want to see more follow up here in the volume profile to see if we can actually go ahead and break above this downward sloping resistance, which is forming the neckline for this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the breakout price should be something like 124, 125 here. So we'll be monitoring the situation really closely in the coming few days. Now the price target for this inverse head and shoulders pattern is something like what is it, 220 dollars in the immediate short term right here. We'll see if we can go ahead and reach the price target. And but as I've already mentioned, from what I consider a quality setup, looking at the RSI and the volume profile, it looks like we will be able to go ahead and reach $220 in the immediate short term. It's not too much of an ask for the Quant price chart really, but obviously we would have to see what kind of a breakout of this downward sloping resistance we have. If we're going to retest it, there's still a lot of things to consider, but yeah, I'm just showing you a possible scenario that is going to happen on the Quant price chart here. So yeah, going back to the daily time frame, I just want to show you something from a Fibonacci retracement point of view. So here on a daily time frame, relative to the high that we had on the 8th of August, $133 there. If we pull out our Fib retracement 2 from that high there to the low that we made right here, you can actually see that where we got rejected right here, we could actually say that is the 786 retracement level, which is the actual last retracement here. So what I want to see here is I want to see a continuation right here up until we break above the 786 retracement, especially closing a daily candle above, because at least it gives us a ticket, right, that we will be going ahead and taking out this high right here at $133 on the Quant price chart here. So yeah, fingers crossed, considering that we have got high volume. The RSI is looking good, it's looking healthy. We also need the market conditions also to be looking pretty good for the Quant price chart, which brings me to the next topic here, which is the Bitcoin price chart, right? So basically what we have right here, let me delete this thing so that you actually have a clear picture of what I'm trying to talk about right here. On the Bitcoin price chart, we are sitting on top of the previous all-time high right here, so it's major support, and at the moment it's looking like we are forming a double bottom right here, really massive to see. If we form this double bottom on the Bitcoin price chart, be rest assured that Quant is also going to be performing really well, right? On the flip side, let me also highlight how important this level is for the Quant price chart. From the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market, the last bear market, right, up until the top, you can see that we are being supported at a technical support right here, the 786 Fib retracement level. And if you would actually want to consider this the C19 drop down that we had in the market, we are sitting right on top of that 786 retracement, which is the 17.6k. So yeah, this is a must hold level for the Bitcoin price, and it will be good for the crypto market in general. If we would break this level right here, would essentially have come down in a 5 Elliott wave count, and this is not really good because it's just the first leg, and normally you would be expecting an ABC correction right here, but finally you get another leg down on the Bitcoin price chart here, and it's not going to be looking too good for the Quant price chart as well. So yeah, we need to see the Bitcoin price hold 17.6k, otherwise we can as well throw this Quant chart away if Bitcoin loses that low there. Basically what we are saying right here is we need to stay above this support. At the moment it was resistance, we are flipping it. Let's see if we're going to hold it, and after that we're going to have a very optimistic structure here on the Quant prices with the price target of about $220 in the immediate short term right here, right? You could also look at the price set from an Elliott wave count. As always, we have been doing this for the last 2 months or something like that. 1 2 3 4 5, and then you have your ABC right here, ABC right here. So it came down right here into support in the form of a falling wedge. They are called diagonals when it comes to Elliott wave language, right? But yeah, from here you'll be expecting another leg towards the upside, maybe in form of impulse waves, 3 4 5 to go and hit our price target right here, which is being provided by this inverted and shoulders pattern. So yeah, this is the bullish case scenario that I see on the Quant price chart. Obviously I haven't covered the bearish scenario, but just that's because I haven't seen anything suggesting a bearish momentum at the moment. The moment it appears, I can promise you I will come up with analysis showing all that things, right? So yeah, with that being said, this is not financial advice. All the indicators in the world could line up to tell you that this is a buy, and the price does the exact opposite, right? So yeah, if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap that like button, share the video with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel. If you've got any queries or suggestions, be sure to write me in the comment section. I will be able to respond to you. And with that being said, I would have to cut this one right here. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.